Good morning, students. Welcome back in your science class. Today we will do lesson 3. What is the name of this lesson? Chemical substances and processes. Open page number 31. Page 31. Open page 31, beta. Hurry up. In this chapter, we will do, first of all, we will do matter. In previous class, we have learned about matter and its nature. Now we will again revise matter. Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Anything which occupies space, space means जो जगह लेती है, और जिसका मास होता है, it means जिसका वेट होता है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? मैटर. मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन 3 states. We have done in 4th, 5th, 6th standard. Matter always exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. Solid का example, this blackboard and this marker. This blackboard and this marker is solid. Liquid, water. Gases, air, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas. These are the example of gases. Next, we will do atom. Now we will do atom. All matter is made up of small particles. हमारे जो मैटर हैं वो स्मॉल पार्टिकल से बने हैं, तो उस स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स को क्या बोलेंगे? एटम. नेक्स्ट, मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ वी विल डू मॉलिक्यूल. एटम इज वेरी स्मॉल, कि उसको हम नेक्ड आई से नहीं देख सकते. वी कांट सी एटम नेक्ड आईज. Molecules. Atoms combine to form molecules. Atoms combine to form molecule. एटम्स को जब हम कंबाइन करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? मोलिक्यूल. तो हम इसको केमिकली कंबाइन करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज द चैप्टर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. इन दिस चैप्टर वी लर्न the basic concept of the chemistry. In detail, we will learn in higher classes in 9th, 10th. Molecule of water is made by combining 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Next, pure substance. Some substances are pure and some are not pure. Some substances are pure and some are not pure. Pure substance. Material which are made up of same kind of particles. Means pure substance, material which are made up of same kind of particles, means made up of atom or molecules, are called pure substance. Material which are made up of same kind of particles. That is atoms और molecules. जो भी मटेरियल एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स को मिलाने से बने हैं वो हमारे कैसे सब्सटेंस होते हैं? प्योर सब्सटेंस. एंड अदर्स आर कॉल्ड इम्प्योर एंड अदर आर नॉट प्योर. प्योर सब्सटेंस फर्दर क्लासिफाई एज एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड. नाउ वी विल डू element and compound. Pure substance classified as number 1 element and number 2 compound. Next, now we will do element. An element is a pure substance which is made up of atom of same kind. Element pure substance है. It is made by same kind of atoms. Listen, same kind of atoms. Example, iron and gold. In iron, iron is made by atoms of iron and gold is made by atoms of only gold. Next, compound. Now we will do compound. Compound is also a pure substance. It is made by a molecule of same kind. Compound is also a pure substance. It is made up of molecules of same kind. Example, water. Formula of water, H2O. It is made by molecule of water. We have done molecule is made by combining the atom. H2O is made by combining 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. In compound, atoms are combined in a fixed ratio. We combine the means a molecule of compound consists of 2 or more different elements that have combined in a fixed ratio. It means hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio, 2:1. If there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, then there is 1 atom of oxygen. Mixture. A mixture contains 2 or more substances. Compound is made up of molecules. Element is made up of atom. But mixture. A mixture contains 2 or more substances mixed in any proportion. Means ratio is not fixed. Element and compound are pure substance, but mixture is not pure substance. And component of mixture are not. Listen student, Example of mixture: pebbles in rice. We have done in 6th also. Pebbles in rice and water in sugar and salt in water, because their ratio is not fixed. Next we will do page number 32, activity 1. Now we will do page 32, activity 1. Activity 1. Now we'll do activity 1. In activity 1, we have given some material and we will classify into pure substance or mixture. First, air. Air is mixture because in the air there are different type of gases, dust particles, smoke. Clear? That's why air is mixture. In pure substance is made by same kind of atom and particles. But air is mixture because it is not made by same kind of atom. Iron is pure substance because iron is made by atoms of iron. Water is pure substance. Water is made by same kind of molecule of water. Soil is mixture. Mixture means एटम्स की जो पार्टिकल्स की जो कंबाइन होते हैं वो फिक्स रेशो में नहीं होते सोयल में. लेमनेड इज आल्सो मिक्सचर. वाई? लेमनेड क्या होता है? इन लेमनेड देयर इज लेमन, वाटर और शुगर. लेमनेड की जो बोटल्स भी आती हैं, beverage है ये. This is a beverage. Lemonade. In lemonade there is lemon, sugar and water, and not in fixed ratio. That's why it is mixture. Gold is pure substance made by same kind of small particles. Oxygen is also pure. Oxygen is pure, made by same type of particles. Clear beta? Next, chemical symbols. Now we will do chemical symbols. In page 32 we have given chemical symbols. Chemical symbols are often represented by chemical substance are often represented by symbol. Okay. Earlier chemist use pictorial symbol. पहले pictorial symbol use होते थे. Nowadays we will use the English alphabets, or we use the letter of English alphabet to represent the element, to represent the symbol of elements. Let's start. Number 1. First of all, we will write name of element. What is the element? Element is made by same kind of atoms. Element is made by same kind of atom, and elements is a form of pure substance. Elements is a form of pure substance. Now, first of all, hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? First letter H. Sodium, Na. Sodium, in sodium we have not taken the first letter. In some elements we will not take the first letter. The name of sodium in Latin language natrium. ये Na सोडियम की दूसरी लैंग्वेज से ली है। सोडियम को लैटिन लैंग्वेज में नेट्रियम बोलते हैं, इसलिए इसका सिंबल हमने क्या लिया है, Na। मैग्नीशियम Mg, एल्यूमिनियम Al। नेक्स्ट कैल्शियम। Look in your book, page number 32. Page number 32. Ca. Potassium. Potassium. Capital K. Learn this. कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, last iodine. Now we will learn the symbol iron Fe. लैटिन लैंग्वेज में आयरन को बोलते हैं फेरम। आयरन Fe, F कैपिटल, E स्मॉल लेटर लिखोगे आप ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे, कैपिटल E नहीं लिखोगे, आप स्मॉल E लिखोगे। कॉपर फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल, सेकंड स्मॉल। Cu, गोल्ड Au, सिल्वर A स्मॉल g, कार्बन ओनली C, ऑक्सीजन ओनली O, सल्फर ओनली S, नाइट्रोजन ओनली N, फास्फोरस ओनली P, क्लोरीन C स्मॉल L, ब्रोमीन B स्मॉल R, iodine capital I. This table is on page number 33. Page number 33. Iron capital F small e, copper capital C U, gold Au, silver Ag, carbon C, oxygen O, sulfur S, नाइट्रोजन कैपिटल N, फास्फोरस कैपिटल P, क्लोरीन कैपिटल C and L, ब्रोमीन कैपिटल B R, आयोडीन I. These all are elements and these are the symbol. Elements are the form of pure substance. It means these all are pure substance and we have given the symbol. Today you will learn all these symbols. These are very very important. These symbols are the important part your chemistry portion. Chemistry में अगर आपको ये symbols learn नहीं हुए तो that is very difficult for you.